guys, it's now week 4 in lockdown and I've been trying to get a practice every single day, just a half an hour to an hour in an evening, and yeah, things are coming along. My knives are getting quite well used now, quite marked up, and I've learned that the no spin style of throwing is quite challenging to learn and definitely challenging to get accurate. But once you start getting no spin, it becomes difficult then to go back to spin throwing, as I found yesterday. So a couple of challenges that I've had is in style. So obviously throwing a relaxed throw, I started off trying to learn more of a scanf technique, trying to just use the hand and the lower part of the arm, the forearm, to create the power. And then I switched to an overhand throw, which works really well. I've tried the BIM style as well. I tried the BIM grip and the wrist and the relaxed throw with the squared off stance. Didn't like that, didn't really suit me. So I went back to the relaxed throw that I was doing before, the relaxed overhand throw, and it seems to be working quite well for me. So stick to what I know. What's happened is I've changed my grip. So I started off with a simple grip of it sitting at the base of my thumb and kind of clipping it between my finger and keeping it nice and relaxed and loose in that position for the no spin. And it kind of worked for a while. It was okay, but I was not gaining as much control over the knife as I needed. So I've gone to more of a conventional wrapping my fingers around, placing it in the base of my palm and using my index finger on top, clamping it down my thumb. So a good solid grip. As most of you already know, no spin basically means it's doing quarter of a turn and then flying straight, so it's not rotating through. And to stop that, obviously your index finger does all the work. The index finger slides down the handle of the knife, and that sliding motion corrects it from spinning. Works really well. So as soon as I release, when I release the knife, I try and release it as upright as I can. That stops the rotation and the knife goes straight through the air and hopefully hits the target. So I'll get some more practice throws in, see how I go, and try and work on a couple of different camera angles as well. But hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm going to keep them up until lockdown's over, and then hopefully when I get back to work and I can get back on my range at work, I'll do some more videos then as well. So please subscribe.